Hey!
Eva! What are you doing?
Eva, we need to have a conversation, Eva. You know? So, do you want to go for a walk? In the park? How about we stop by the store and then I will buy you some treats and some food. Right? Huh? Okay, fine. Okay, we'll go. But before that, okay, wait. Shh. Listen to me. Hear me out, okay? So before we go for a walk, let's talk about yesterday, Eva. What did you do yesterday? What happened to you yesterday? What happened to you? Tell me. Eva, you humped a pillow. Remember? No, you humped a pillow, Eva. Why would you do it? Who humps a pillow? Okay. I hear you. We are having a conversation. Don't argue with me. Shh, Eva. Shh. Don't argue with me. Shh. Good girl. Okay. See, we discussed this before, Eva. You remember? You were a child then. You were a child. Yeah. You were a puppy at the time. Eva, see, I have no choice, okay? I have to cancel your walk. Yeah, I have to cancel your walk. You heard me. No walk. No treats. No food. That's how it's going to be, unless you are on track. You understand me, Eva? This will be your punishment. This is how it's going to be. You constantly hump other dogs. But don't argue with me. Don't show me that. No. Don't show me that attitude. Eva, what do you want? You want to hump? Huh? You want to hump? Go hump the pillow. Come on. Yeah, go. Don't be shy, Eva. Don't be shy. Come on. Go.